Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to add stock in Zoho Books, which is key for keeping track of your inventory and managing your products efficiently. First, go to the Items module under the Inventory or Sales tab. Click Plus New to create a new item. Fill in the details like item name, SKU, unit price, description, and inventory account. If it's a product you keep in stock, make sure to check the Track Inventory option. Next, enter the opening stock quantity and the opening stock rate if you already have existing stock. This sets up the initial inventory levels for your item. You can also assign the warehouse or location if you use multiple storage points. After filling in all details, click Save. To add stock later, you can create a purchase bill for new inventory received or use the Adjust Stock option in the Items module. This allows you to increase or decrease stock quantities manually for corrections or stock updates. Make sure to update the rate per unit if needed so your inventory valuation stays accurate. Now, your stock is added, tracked, and ready to use in invoices, sales, or reports. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Zoho Books tutorials.